I'm Clara. I'm currently working with the Straits Times and it's been about 3 years. So I mainly cover COVID-19 news and I'm with the health beat. One thing I would describe my master's experience to be would be that I had a very supportive bunch of friends and lecturers. Because I used to be a science student, I used to study chemistry in London, and transiting from having to read 5-page lab reports, my friends actually taught me how to speed read and read more succinctly. And of course, my lecturers also sometimes they would point to certain parts of the readings that were more important. It was really eye-opening because I met a lot of different people from all walks of life. So there were teachers, librarians, and there were some even museum curators. I just graduated, so I had no work experience at that point in time. So a lot of them, they brought in a variety of commitments, which was quite interesting. It was vigorous. So we were able to take higher level modules with PhD students, and that made the entire conversation more enriching as well, because the kind of depth in the conversations and was definitely higher than normal level modules. The MA definitely helped me because during MA we had to look through a lot of readings and write out a 1 to 2 page essay. So the ability to look at a lot of information and then come up with a key point or find out what the key point is quite important. And as well as having to do it under a short time, it definitely made me practice my writing. Being able to sift through a lot of information and being able to write a short piece out of it. As you probably have known, if you do interviews or whatever, it's people can talk for 2 hours and you're only going to use 10 lines from them. It's the same for press releases as well. If you're thinking of joining the Southeast Asian Studies program and you're interested in the region, whether it's the cultural or geopolitical landscape, you should always be willing, even if you don't necessarily have the background, whether it's in culture or Southeast Asian studies for that matter, whether you are a political arts student or even a math student for that matter, because it really doesn't matter, and it's everything that you pick up from the MA that will be valuable and that will add to the skills that you have, and that definitely will help you in whatever job that you intend to pursue.